Hey Cam, how are you? Thought I'd record this screencast for you, kind of give you an overview on what we found here for the JPC Health and Safety Training website, what your competition, direct competition is here, the top three that are found on a Google search, and really going to talk about just three things today. These are the top three things that Google looks at when they are actually ranking a website and getting it on that first page over the organic search. So number one is the content. So I looked at the website here and I did a word count on everything. And what you're looking for on this home page here is over 1,500 words. You can see there's a lot of missing and open space on the page. So 1,500 words is the minimum for Google. This is what the page looks like now. I went ahead and put it through word counter. Got 832 words on the home page. So we need to really double that in order to get things moving for the ranking. Other than that, just some basic back pages, updates, testimonials about us, gallery, contact. So pretty simple website. What we do is we have a tool here that we use called Ahrefs. So what I did is I went into the search for CPR Colorado Springs, and the top three are Springs CPR Training, CPR Choice, and CPR Cell Phone Repair. Interesting, huh? Because that designation actually comes up for cell phone repair. Kind of interesting. But so your top three, thought I'd show you here. So your top three, first of all, Red Cross, obviously, they're in the number one position right here. Then you have Peak CPR. Peak CPR is in the number three. Springs CPR Training. And then this EdCore. So what I did was I went to each one of these websites. So just kind of comparison for your site. This is CPR Choice or Peak CPR as their URL alludes to. Just a quick look here. So this is the company that's in the number one position. They don't have nearly 1,500 words on their page. Number two in the Google search is Springs CPR Training. That's also their URL. They're in the number two position here, right here. And then actually the number three position is this Lin Solutions. They're in the number three position. You can see their page. They actually have sites and places where you can book appointments right there. So here's the good news. So I took all three of the competition, and we'll do is, this is our Ahrefs tool. We put the company website in here, JPC Health Safety LLC. So this is our tool that looks at both the domain rating and backlinks, referring domains, and key organic words. So this is how the website looks in our tool right now for your website. Then we're going to run through real quick. So here's your number one ranking position for Peak CPR. They have 2,200 backlinks, 47 referring domains, and 793 organic keywords. We won't delve into that too much, but suffice it to say, this is pretty strong right here. However, here's our opportunity. In the number two position, you can see how much significantly different this is. Only 219 backlinks, 28 referring domains, and organic keywords. Okay, this all relates to your content and your backlinks. So there's a real opportunity right here between the first and second position for us to get your company in there. This is the number three position, so significantly drops. 69 backlinks, 4 referring domains, 100 or 1 organic keyword. So again, kind of going backwards now. Number two position, number one position, the way your site currently looks. So what I did was I did some keyword research, and we've got some great opportunities here. So the 4 sets of keywords that we need to use for the company is CPR class Colorado Springs, CPR Colorado Springs, CPR training Colorado Springs, and CPR certification Colorado Springs. all of those are ranking and doing very well already. And you can see here, sorry about that, let me go back and just look at CPR class, Colorado Springs. You can see that I apologize, I'm not sure why my tool isn't working here. It's kind of froze up. So if we go back to Arifs here and we look, again, between 2 and 3 right here in the search, we'll view all here and drop down because this is CPR ready. So this is your map pack. We can get you to the top of the map pack by simply doing Google My Business and getting that all set up in a address confirmed. That'll put you in the top 3 right here of this map pack. Drop out this CPR cell phone repair. So we've talked about content, backlinks, and then citations are another area that would show up here under your UR if we go here. So this is very simply, your UR is the URL rating, and then this is your domain rating. This is your trust flow right here. So through citations, backlinks, and the content, we're going to create trust flow and get your website ranking. Here's what I recommend. The URL for the company right now, and by the way, just so you know, the current website is not secure. Really needs to get an SSL certification. And also, this URL address is not conducive to the keywords that will drive clients to the website. So my suggestion would be, I found, very interestingly enough, CPR class Colorado Springs is available. Also, Colorado Springs CPR class is available. So I did research on both of those. We could grab those URLs for cheap, $12 a year, $20 a year, and build a website based on that. So that's pretty much it there, Mr. Cameron. Hope that helps. You're welcome to use all of these tips that we discovered to improve the website yourself, or we can assist the company in really getting this business rocking and be able to take on the various points on the internet to get this business found. Thanks. Hope you have a great day, buddy.